वेलकम टू माय चैनल फ्रेंड्स। प्लीज मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करना और सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना और फिर सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल आइकन प्रेस करना ताकि आप मेरे वीडियो सबसे पहले और सबसे जल्दी देख सकें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल।
Since 1978, Forever Living Products has been dedicated to seeking out nature's best sources for health and beauty and sharing them with the world. But it's not just 4 decades of experience that drive our business. It's a passion for helping others look better and feel better, combined with the pride that comes from doing things a little differently. We own our own plantations, manufacturing facilities, research and development, quality control laboratories, and even our own distribution channels. Owning this process every step of the way allows us to control costs, ensure our high-quality standards are upheld, and deliver the products our customers love even faster. It all starts at our aloe plantations in Texas and the Dominican Republic. This is where we grow and cultivate over 50 million aloe plants. Each plant is nurtured until the aloe is at the peak of leaf thickness and nutrient content. We carefully harvest the lower leaves by hand, letting the inner leaves grow. This hands-on process ensures that no part of the aloe is damaged and allows each plant to continue to produce nutrient-rich leaves for up to 5 years. After harvest, each aloe leaf is thoroughly cleaned and inspected before it is hand-filleted to completely remove the rind, while keeping the inner leaf aloe vera gel intact. A multi-step quality check assures that only the purest aloe is used in our products. Next, the bulk aloe vera gel goes through a proprietary process to seal in freshness and prepare it for transportation to our manufacturing facilities. That's where it will be combined with other natural and scientifically advanced ingredients to make the products our customers love. Aloe Vera of America in Dallas, Texas is a key step in Forever's manufacturing process. This state-of-the-art facility boasts several ISO certifications and is constantly evaluated and upgraded to stay in the forefront of technology. Quality is a key part of our entire plant-to-product process. Over 1.4 million quality tests are performed at Aloe Vera of America alone. In addition, every product is hand-inspected at multiple points in the packaging process to ensure each one meets our high standards and exceeds expectations. Forever Nutraceutical in Phoenix, Arizona uses pharmaceutical-grade manufacturing equipment and technology. With millions continually invested in new equipment and an ISO certification typically reserved for third-party labs, Forever Nutraceutical stays on the cutting edge of the supplement industry. Every day, up to 333 different types of quality tests are performed at Forever Nutraceutical. We analyze all raw ingredients before production and test every product before and after manufacturing for vitamin content and purity. In total, 1.5 million quality inspections are performed each year. Once Forever's products are manufactured, they are ready to be distributed all over the world. Forever Direct, located in the Netherlands, is the distribution hub for many of the 160 countries where Forever does business. Quality is a central focus of everything we do at Forever Direct and is accomplished using the latest technology and careful inspections by our passionate team. Several quality checks are completed through the packing process and before each order is shipped. This ensures that our customers receive the right products, packaged the right way to reach your address in perfect condition. Every step we take is driven by our commitment to make sure you and your family have everything you need to look and feel your very best. Just like the best of science and nature in our products, we combine technology with a quality you can only get from personal touch, all the way through our product development and manufacturing process. You get the best out of our products because we put the very best in every step of the way. From plant to product to you.